Summer kiss, blue eyes, a mighty pretty sunrise. Mezcal margarita, my family wanna meet ya. Honey wanna let go, follow all the beat out. Take it to new places, chasing all our wishes. I love you lost, enough to do the things to make us work.
Hey everyone, good morning, Friday, and we have delivered in Fullerton, California. I'm now at the Ontario. The brakes are making a noise, so I've checked in for service, see what that's all about, and going inside to edit some videos now. We're waiting on a load. We're not dispatched. See if we can get something. Nature of White Glove services is that they pretty much dispatch for the next day. So if you don't have something coming in, you kind of just know that you're gonna have to wait. And if that happens on a Friday, then you know you're gonna have to wait till Monday probably. Well, this doesn't look good. This guy is parked way out. You want to go back? I'll guide you. This guy in the blue Freightliner, he's parked way out with his nose out. This other truck was trying to get out and can't get out, so I'm gonna help him back out. And just like that, out of nowhere, we are going to Florida. All right, so I went to eat. I'm editing my videos, and what happens? They call me to look at my truck. Only took 30 minutes. Usually takes a couple hours. And Robert is gonna hook it up. Robert's here at the Petro in Ontario, so hopefully he can get me on the road, and we got a load going to Florida. So, walking through the parking lot, and I meet my boy Charles. This is Charles. What's up, Charles? Say hi to YouTube world.
What's up, man? What's up? Good money, good money.
Yeah.
Hi.
Be safe out there.
You, man?
I like meeting cool people. I have this knack for meeting people. Hey, look over there. It's my truck. I think it's ready. Hopefully the noise is gone. So we have picked up our load in California, 2 stops, headed to Kentucky and then to right near Miami, Florida. The co-pilot, he does not have to go on duty for this. Peter, you licking your tail? Yeah? His ear is feeling better. His ear is feeling better because he's letting us touch it and he's rubbing it up against us. So one more week of this, and then we can take him to a vet and get the stitches taken out.
20th.
The 20th. He is taking Zyrtec now because that was the cause of this. Was his allergies. Do you know why cats do this? Because they can. Oh man. If you're wondering why she's driving and it's daylight, it's just so weird. But here's the thing. I drive 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and it's daylight. And it's 8:30 on the East Coast, which means it's 5:30 here. But we were on an East Coast clock, so that means that she has got to drive her clock. And if that means driving out of LA traffic on a Friday. Well, anyways, we are off about 70 miles to the 40. Hopefully get up the Cone Pass pretty quick. And then stop for showers probably in Kingman. And this weekend's vlog will, I don't know. We'll see what we can come up with.
Hello there.
So, sorry, Star Wars. Bye.
Right.